This is Daniel Malone with MintState Coin Technologies, and I'm going to show you how to use MintState Coin Technologies Coin Value application to keep from getting ripped off when you're buying coins. I would also like to introduce our YouTube channel. We have videos and tutorials on how to use MintState Coin Technologies website, and we will have other videos like this one in the future. So please come over to MintState Coin Technologies on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. So let's say you saw a coin online for sale. Maybe it was on Wish app, or maybe you saw it on Let Go or Facebook, and it looks good to you and you would like to buy it, but you're not sure whether it's worth what the seller is trying to sell it for. You come over to mintstatecoin.com and we can pick whatever coin that could be. Let's say it's a trade dollar. Now, what I want to tell you is that trade dollars are easily faked. There's a lot of counterfeits. Now, MintState Coin Technologies doesn't help you with that, but if they're offering this coin for substantially less than what they're worth, they're probably counterfeits. But not always. Sometimes people don't know that they're selling counterfeits. That's a completely different ball game, and you really need to know what you're buying. But value-wise, we can take a look. We have dollar denomination. You can choose all the different denominations that we have here, dollar through cent. You come over here to trade dollar, and we are going to apply selections. And it's probably going to be something like an 1878S because it's one of the more common years. So here we have AG03, which is about good, $79. Very fine is $210. Now this gives you just an idea. Let's say, well, I really want to see what this looks like. Let me get an idea. So you click on the date and the mint mark, and you can go to, here's eBay sold, and it'll pop up and it'll show you what these have sold for. And you can kind of match that coin to this coin. It'll even help you kind of verify a little bit. Maybe look at an authentic coin like this one. Compare some of the design details. Compare the shape of the date and different things like that. It might help you identify the coin a little bit better. It'll help you authenticate it a little bit better. But if it seems to look okay, then you already know what you're looking at. You already know what's authentic and what's not. Then you can look at the values and see which coin here looks like the coin the person's trying to sell. If the images are not that good and you ask for another image, you should ask for another image, and they are not willing to send you other images, don't make the purchase. You want sellers who are upfront and honest. There's too much fakes being sold, coins being misrepresented, maybe they're cleaned and things like that. So this one here is cleaned. This one here looks a little clean. It makes it look a little off to make it look not authentic. So my suggestion, if you don't know how to authenticate coins, you really don't know their values that well, but you do want to trade dollar, I recommend going to a dealer and buy a graded coin first. Get an idea what they look like. That would be your best bet. Not to buy off some of these apps, because that's an easy way for someone to trade off and pass off a fake coin. But with MintState Coin Technologies, you can come in and actually take a look if you wanted to. Heritage sold auctions, Heritage live auctions. You can go to PCGS or NGC. You can go to Coin Dealer's newsletter. You can go to Numis Media, and you can see the actual melt value. This is an invaluable tool for someone who is looking to buy a coin that they know that's authentic online, so that you can make the best purchase possible. Now, a lot of times they may be selling it a little bit higher, and that's another thing I want to talk about. Let's say someone has one up that's fine and they have $175 on it. Well, that's okay, because this MintState Coin Technologies is actually an average of the values that are sourced from all over the internet. So it's okay to pay a little bit more than what MintState Coin Technologies has here as far as the retail is concerned. We're not offering a retail price here. We're offering a realistic price that most people can expect to get out of their coins when they do sell to a dealer or at a coin show or something like that, whereas this is not considered a retail price. So anyways, thanks for watching MintState Coin Technologies video. And as I said, this is Daniel Malone of CoinHelpU. I want to do a quick video here on MintState Coin Technologies and show you how you can use this to help you make better purchases. So thanks to everyone for your support. Please subscribe to the channel and donate if you feel like supporting what's coming with this future of coin collecting technology.